Everything together. Let's mix everything together. Oh, got much. Okay, let me just fix my camera because it cut out my face. It makes a bit like, okay, let me just do this. How about this? So I'm gonna have to start all over again. Maybe with this. Okay. Hi guys. Hi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy, for those who don't know me. And yeah, this is the Introvert's Corner, so you are welcome. So basically today I'm just busy working right now, but I just need a couple of things. So I'm just gonna do I'm gonna order some few things that I want because I can't go to the shop. I'm quite busy today. And later on I'd like to make some snack, a healthy snack, or like a salad. I don't know what would that be, but I'll see later on. So for now, see you later guys. Bye. So now I'm just gonna try to order online some things that I need, a couple of things, and one of those things is milk. I need milk. I can't have my coffee without milk, like, oh, less milk. My milk I need a lot of milk in my coffee. Like, I need like lots and lots of milk. But maybe with a bit of cream as well. So I'm on the app, on this app. So but maybe first I'll order a couple of things, and then yeah, let's see. 60 oh, they've got some milk, so I'll order this milk, but I wanted the one in the carton. Hey guys, I just decided to go to the shop because I cannot wait for that delivery. It's taking forever. 60 is taking forever. But if it happens that they go and deliver while I'm at the shop, yeah, so be it. But for now, I just cannot wait. So quickly go into the shop, and I must just check the time.
Hey, actually, viazi Ami. Green.
So this is where I'm gonna cook my lunch for today. This container. So they've got nice fries here. So my order has arrived. So is that bag. Okay, let me just leave this bag here. Milk. Also ordered some water. Oops. red onion, I'm gonna need it for my salad. Lettuce, so a lot of stuff. Avocado. I also have some jam family. So I prefer this cold drink, sugar free, and that's it. So that's just about it. First I need to clean it up. This one I'll just grill it. Is it grilling it or baking it? But I don't want to cook it. I want that crispiness from it. So we use the air fry. Yeah. Hey guys, let's just make a salad right now. Let's make a salad. So we're gonna need onion, we're gonna need lemon, we're gonna need a sweet potato, and we're gonna need some French chives, coriander, and some other herbs, and we're gonna need the cucumber. So we need these for my preparation as well. And I need a yogurt. I usually prefer a double cream, but I accidentally bought the full cream yogurt. So yeah, that's just about it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need anything else. I think I might. Yes, I need some eggs, or what am I gonna? No eggs. I'm not gonna use eggs. Yeah. I'll see, but I wanted to use some. Oh yeah, a bacon. I'm gonna use a bacon. Let me just. Actually forgot some main ingredients. Also gonna need a lettuce as well, avocado, and diced bacon. So as you can see, I'm still gonna cook now. Yeah, what is this? Oh, it's the onion peel. Yeah. So now let's start cooking. So first things first, let me just cut out. To quickly chop it. Oops. It's better for me to cut it like this. I'm gonna just grease it with the oil. Then I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. Everything is sorted now. I'm just gonna put it in there. Just rinse it. Just put on some salt. I don't want to put a lot of it. Just put on some salt. I don't want to put a lot of it. Now let me chop the onion. How do I start pressing? Now let me just cut out the onion. My goodness, this is taking longer than I thought. Just do it like this. Oh my word, I should have just bought the one that I already chopped. This is too much for me. Okay, I want it to be this slice. I don't want it thinner. Oh my word. Honestly, I'm not cut out for this. But at least I tried. Yeah, here, there's my onion. Ready. It looks so chunky here. Let's make sure it doesn't look so chunky. But it's not so chunky at all. Okay, there's my onion ready. Now I need to prepare my bacon. I have to fry it. Fine. I'm so bad at this, but then, yeah. Umuntu kumele afunde. Umuntu kumele afunde. Umuntu kumele akhule. Lana. Lana manje. I don't need a lot of these. I'll just have a few. That should be fine. Your lettuce is ready. Now let's prepare the avocado. Oops. Now your avocado. Ready. The sweet potato is ready. Voila. So all your ingredients now are in here, not all. So I have my sweet potato and the lettuce. Did I say lettuce? What the? So some of the ingredients I've already sure. So now here's a bowl of all or some of the ingredients. So I have the onion, avocado, sweet potato, and your lettuce. So now I'm gonna add some more, but now first I need to just complete this I don't know what do you call this, like a dressing. So I've already put in here lemon juice and your herbs. So right now I just need a teaspoon or some spoon of the yogurt. So it would have been nice if it was a double cream yogurt, but then also this one will work as well. So okay, that should be fine. I wanted to also use the cucumber, but then I don't think it would be necessary, so I'm just gonna have to put it back in the fridge. So it's too much ingredients. So this should be fine. So now I also need to add some olive oil as well. I'll add some olive oil in the, oh sorry, you don't see this, it's so far. So I'll add some olive oil here, just a little. Yeah, that should be fine. You can also measure with this with a spoon. It's up to you how much you want it. I feel like oh yeah, I need to add on some salt for taste as well. But you can always add some salt. Oh, there's something wrong with this. Yeah, salt. More of the caps as well. I'm just gonna put more spices depending on your flavors. I'm gonna put also the white, not the white, the black pepper. Oh gosh. I've added some black pepper as well. So looks nice. See how it looks? Yeah. I still need to add those. Then we're good to go. Now let's just add all the other ingredients. I don't need a lot of these. It's coming right. And finally the bacon as well. I don't know if I'm missing anything out. Looks yummy. Okay. I hope this will be sufficient. It looks a bit small. Now you're gonna have to mix everything together. Let's mix everything together. Okay. Maybe the spoon is so small, but I'll use it for now. Voila. Now it's all ready. Wow. Already. Wow, I'm so happy with this. So happy. I can assure you it tastes nice as well. Thank you for watching. Now I'm gonna down it with the soda, cream soda, sugar free. Oh, got much tea.